morning, students. Yesterday we see about the civics, understanding diversity. We see about the landforms of diversity and social diversity and the religious diversity. Today we are going to see about the remaining parts of the diversity. Okay, let's be started the topic linguistic diversity. According to Census of India in 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. Four major Indian language families are Indo-Aryan, Dravidian, Austroasiatic and Sino-Tibetan. Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Do you know the Constitution of India recognizes 22 languages as official languages? The Government of India has declared Tamil as the first classical language in 2004. Apart from Tamil, 5 other Indian languages have been declared as the classical languages by the Government of India. Sanskrit, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Oriya were announced as the classical language in 2005, 2008 and 2008, 2013 and 2016 respectively. The top 5 languages spoken in India as per the 2011 census. The first one, Hindi, percentage of total population 43%, and the next Bengali 8.30%, and the Tamil is 5.89%. Next is the cultural diversity. The term culture refers to customs and practices of people, their language, their dress code, cuisine, religion, social habits, music, art and architecture. The culture of a group of people is reflected in their social behavior and interactions. The group identity fostered by social patterns is unique to a group. Do you know about 60% of the total epigraphical inscriptions found to the Archaeological Survey of India are from Tamil Nadu, and most of these are in the Tamil script. The next is popular dances and music of India. In ancient times, dance was considered as a way to celebrate, worship and also as a gesture of thanks, giving and joy. Dances of India reflect its cultural richness. This is a different type of the dances in between the different states. Yes, we see that Tamil Nadu. Popular dance, Karakatam, Voilatam, Gummi, Terukuthu, Bommalatam, Puliyatam, Kolatam, Tappatam. The next we take for the example of Punjab, Bangara, and Jammu and Kashmir, Dumhal. And the Rajasthan, Helbila and Zumar. And the next Assam, Bihu. Next, unity in diversity. Though diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India, we are united by the script of patriotism. Symbols such as the national flag and national anthem remind us of our great nation and the need to stay united. Celebration of landmark events such as Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti every year brings us together and keeps the spirit of one nation alive with us. Now we recall what are the things we learned about in this topic. The first one, India is a land of unity in diversity. The second one, diversity is a state of being different from each other. And the third one, landforms and climate have an impact on diversity. And the fourth one, physical features and climatic conditions determine the economic activities of a region. And the next one, diversity in landforms also impacts the flora and fauna of a region. And the next one, what is the topic? Yes, linguistic, religious, social and cultural diversity exists in India. And another one, India is a subcontinent with all the physical features of a continent. And the last, according to Census of India 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. Okay children, next we see about the next topic in our next class. Okay, thank you.